This is how much ad revenue YouTube has paid me for 100,000 subscribers since starting my channel in 2006. As you can see from the graph, I didn't start generating ad revenue until 2012, 6 years later. In this video, you'll see how much ad revenue I generated in the last 365 days, how much I make each month, how ad revenue is calculated, how to boost ad revenue, and other ways that I generate more revenue from YouTube so I can be a full-time creator. YouTube paid me almost $16,000 in the last 365 days. This is how much YouTube paid me in May, June, July of 2022. As you can see, I make almost $1,500 per month from ad revenue alone. Keep in mind the ad revenue you see in YouTube Analytics is 55% of your original earnings. You take 55% and YouTube takes 45%. Ad revenue will also fluctuate during the year. For example, towards Christmas time, advertisers are willing to spend more on paying for ads. How revenue is calculated. Ad revenue is calculated based upon RPM and CPM. RPM lets you see how much money you're earning per 1,000 views. It also shows you how effective your monetization is overall. For example, in the last 365 days, my cost per 1,000 views was $5.66. CPM refers to the cost per 1,000 ad impressions before YouTube revenue share. RPM refers to total revenue after YouTube's revenue share per 1,000 views. This video has gotten over 500,000 views since it was published a year ago and has paid me over $2,000. Over the last 365 days, it has paid me over $1,800. And over the last 90 days, it has paid me $577. The beauty of monetizing videos on YouTube is that they generate revenue 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, year after year. For example, this video has gotten over 1.6 million views since it was published and has made $4,500. In the last 365 days, it has generated $1,500. How to boost ad revenue. One of the ways to increase your total revenue is to improve your RPM. Here are 4 ways to maximize your RPM so you can increase your total revenue. Turn on monetization for all the videos on your channel. This will enable ads to be displayed on your videos, and the more videos that display your ads, the more revenue you'll make. Turn on all ad types. As you can see, most of my ad revenue comes from skippable video ads, which are the ads that are displayed on your video before they start playing. Other ads you can enable are display ads, bumper ads, and non-skippable ads. Enable multiple ads. If you make an 8-minute video or longer, you can enable multiple ads to be displayed throughout your video. You simply enable mid-roll ads and you can place them manually throughout your video, or you can allow YouTube to place them automatically throughout your video. Turn on alternative monetization features. Besides ad revenue, you can also enable channel memberships, super chat, and super thanks. When you diversify your revenue streams, you can make more money. One of the biggest mistakes YouTubers make is relying on AdSense income. As I mentioned before, it fluctuates throughout the year and also depends on which countries the advertisers come from. For example, you'll generate more revenue from advertisers in USA, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and England than you would from Pakistan or Bangladesh. Here are some other ways to generate more revenue from YouTube instead of relying on AdSense income. Promote affiliate products. The beauty of promoting affiliate products is that you don't have to create the product or the marketing materials. You simply get an affiliate link from the company whose product you're promoting and add it to your description. If somebody clicks on the affiliate link and buys a product, you get a 50% or higher commission. I highly recommend only promoting products that you use on a regular basis. For example, I promote the keyword research tool TubeBuddy because it helps me to easily find keywords that are easy to rank for. Click the link in the description to install TubeBuddy now. Brand deals and sponsored videos. I often get brands that email me to make a sponsored video to promote their product. Typically I charge $500 to $1,000 and try to make multiple videos so I can generate more revenue. It's also a great way to get free software or gear in exchange for doing a promo video. Sell your own products or courses. If you're an expert in your niche, a great way to get 100% commission is to sell your own products and courses. For example, I created a video course on how to get your first 1,000 subscribers. You can check the link in the description below this video to get the course. The key to being a full-time content creator is to bundle multiple revenue streams together so don't rely on just one source of revenue. The more revenue streams you create, the more money you can make. If you want to learn more ways to monetize YouTube channel, watch the video on the screen right now for 10 ways to monetize YouTube channel without 1,000 subscribers.